Ooh. Hey guys, Rob from the Off-Grid Tiny House. I'm going to be doing some off-grid soldering today. What I have here is a mess. I have a DC jack, which is one of these things, and I put the heat shrink on the wires already, color coded, and I'm going to be soldering the DC jack to a USB cable to make it longer, and then I'll show you exactly what this is for after the fact. So I'm going to set up and I'll be back with you in a sec. Okay, that one's good. Let's try the bottom. Come on. Okay, so that seems to be soldered. I'll unplug the iron, let it cool down, and we'll just take a look here. We got some little spots that are pokey, so I'm just using the residual heat off the iron to try to get rid of those spiky parts, if at all possible. And something didn't go right because my heat shrink has melted a bit. So I gotta try and pull it over top of the solder joint, which I'll do now. I don't know if it's gonna happen though. Probably not. Can I get the black one over at least? What happened was I had the heat sink too close to the wire, so now I can't really push it over top and seal it. So I'll figure out something to do here to seal this. That really sucks. Alright, be back. Alright, so what I did, guys, was I just took some heavier insulation and put it on top of, or heavier heat sink, I should say, and put it on top of everything, and hopefully it will melt down for me. So I just got a T-candle here. Whoops. I just got a T-candle, and I'm just going to use the heat from the T-candle to shrink this heat sink, or this heat wrap, and hopefully all goes well. This one's being a little bastard. I got the fireplace going, guys. I'm just heating up the tiny house. I just had to get this done quick in case I lose sunlight again. Wanted to get this done, and then we're going to be testing this out actually in an upcoming video. You'll see exactly why the purpose is for this, and it's for an off-grid appliance, which is going to be pretty cool. It's starting to shrink. It's taken a while because I got the improper heat shrinking stuff on here, but that's because I screwed up on the solder job. But Solder job worked, but I got the heat stuff a little too close. Worst comes to worst, I'll just tape this. I am not getting enough candle flame going on here. Gotta get these ends sealed off. I got a crappy wick on this tea candle. Well, that's a pretty crappy job, I gotta say. This one's still not that good. Whoops. Candle went out on that one. Alright, so I'll finish this off and I'll show you what's going on.